Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day on this one. Volume is remaining very strong. Price was all over the place. Actually started off very, very nicely. Got a nice surge to the upside. Unfortunately, price couldn't quite maintain that and, pulled back to the downside. But that's a little bit of a perspective there. What do I mean? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart all of a sudden looks really, really bad. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, yeah, the price did have a bigger pullback. But, within the, like I said, just big picture of everything, the overall trend is still perfectly fine. And that is why, and I want to just focus here on this level right here at $2.60. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen at all, but I mean, technically speaking, the price could still keep on falling and falling, go to 260, and then behave in that manner. And what would you still have from the big picture point of view? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down here, and if you envision those as stair steps, well, overall, big picture-wise, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Again, I get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't really care about this overall stair step. But that's why I try to preface all this by, explaining and clarifying that I would be commenting from a bigger picture point of view. So 260 remains that important level of support moving forward. In terms of levels of resistance, really the main level just still remains right up around that 305 mark. Sure, the price did temporarily get up above it here, but very clearly could not maintain above it before dropping back below it. So 305 remains public enemy number one moving into Wednesday. But all in all, any angle you look at things, volume is remaining strong, and overall the trend is still in place. So let's see how Wednesday and the ongoing days all continue to play out and unfold. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.